Man, and it not work, you know? We'll do without it today. We'll do without it today. Wanna look for natural skin. Talk truth. Hmm? You go on in a shade. Listen, man. I can't wait for drop this a song yap I don't know right now, yeah. J! Yo! Them want tell you how for talk and how for dress and how for sleep with no one to elevate them feel of them alone for do it big. So them judge you by your skin. But being black I want me comfortable in so damn if you don't, damn if you don't. Them still a go talk all if I no provoke them. My life is an open book. I stand firm anywhere me put my foot. Cause them I use my foot clickbait. And if you think your bad just make up, but a press button and me no make trouble. Me put God first, come a journey a big fear. Them can't pull and press me like trigger. I feel more private as a public figure. Me not join in a lip race. But anybody this a quick case. Me a tell you yo good. True me no do me body, them say me no look good. Them can't pressure this a party stuff for cook good. Well I know. I don't know how you share new things with the Nazine. So hear that one real quick. Alright? Yeah. I said say you lose respect for me. Coming like say you take me for gimmicks. They even know I walk one. Drop asleep in a love, I'ma never set me alarm. Can't they play with me pussy and I play with me heart? Wanna fuck who you want? I'm not even started getting terribly. But I'm not gonna get too much shit, Dana. I said say you lose respect for me. Can't believe say you take me for gimmicks. They even know I walk one. Drop asleep in a love, I'ma never set me alarm. Can't they play with me pussy and I play with me heart? Wanna fuck who you want. If a pussy you want, you coulda. And if you never want love, you shoulda talk. Play with me pussy and don't play with me heart. Wanna fuck who you want. If a pussy you want, you coulda. And if you never want love, why introduce me to your family and your friends when you only want to take between my legs, nobody phone. Stop. Alright. Next thing. Talk about the hello, what make this a type man I feel like it give me back some memory what me don't want. I want to forget them something there. Don't do that. Soon. Can't go no more that day. There's something I type like it want bring back some memories. What me don't want, you know. I want them. I don't wait no man. So just that's why I'm not like go to new things, you know, just cha man. Listen man. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. Alright, ready again. Listen, man. Say it, say you lose respect for me. Can't believe, say you take me for gimmicks. They even know what one. Drop asleep in a love, I'ma never get. Enough time people not listen when me sing, you know. They just listen to the voice, but they don't listen to the message and the song. I say it, say you lose respect for me. Can't believe, say you take me for gimmicks. They even know what one. Drop asleep in a love, I'ma never set me alarm. Can't they play with me pussy and I play with me heart? Go on and fuck who you want. If a pussy you want, you coulda. And if you never want love, you shoulda talk. Play with me pussy and I play with me heart. Go on and fuck who you want. If a pussy you want, you coulda. And if you never want love, why you introduce me to your family and your friends and money? And the people. I like sing song for the woman them, you know. Come on while you sit down. More while you sit down, Zine. Me have to represent for the woman them. Hello, man, I make this give me ego. You wanna man? Me come like it want come give me back some memory. What me don't want remember. So you wanna man? Yeah, make a pack up everything under there, so. Yeah, me no want no dirty memory. Keep them right back at the back of the brain on that part then. Me don't even know what go on. Drop asleep in a love, I'ma never set me alarm, I never set my alarm, I'm like, God. Who do me tap them asleep? Look at me, I don't come up with them something sometime in the bad. But I still got pretty certain things I say, me don't even know what go on. I drop asleep in a love, I'ma never set me alarm. No, sir. Yo, but I don't know where my brain come from. More while in the dog, more while. Yo, me not go tell no lie, no. More while me sit down and write, you know. And my brain will freeze. You see me, I have some moment when as an artist and you write, your brain stuck. You don't know what to write, say. You see me? But me I tell us, you see, sometime when, you see me, your meds right, and you start for write, your meds right, and me I say, man, see it say you lose respect for me. Can't believe say you take me for gimmicks. Don't even know what go on. Drop asleep in a love, I'ma never set me alarm. Yo! Wait, man. Yo. Me don't know where my brain come from. Well, I have to sit there and wonder like, yo. Yeah. Anyway. No, for real, like, whenever sit down and meds as woman, me I talk to the woman them right now, Zine. You have some woman more while you sit down. And your meds are some past relationship where you coulda be spared certain things if a nigga does up front. You know what I mean? And I say Ray. You see me? Doshen. You have to sing for the woman them a while. Although when me ready for drop it tonight. No man, that's so terrible. I'm gonna sound new music, but you know what? Well on man.
I shall dance.
Well on man.